Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a lesson plan in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Docs. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on choose template. And here if we scroll down under education, we find the lesson plan. We just tap on this, one of them that we like, and here we have a few guidelines in the template for writing a lesson plan, and we can edit this by tapping on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner and changing whatever we want to change. So for example, here in overview and purpose, we can just fill out the details of the lesson plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.